Oh my god, it's talking. Dino Sid! Hey guys, it's me Dino Sid, and today I am doing another experiment. For today's experiment, we are doing talking bottle. That's a crazy, very crazy experiment. I think you are all thinking, how is a bottle going to talk? So that's why I am going to show you. Guys, for this experiment, we need a bottle and a coin and water. First, we need to freeze the bottle for 15 minutes. I kept the bottle in the freezer. Now, till that time, I want to show you something. So, I have this acacia leaf over here, okay? So, I'm going to pour this water and the water stays on the acacia leaf. Look. Oh, wow. Guys, I take the bottle out of the freezer. Now I'm going to put the coin on the top of this. Guys, now it's going to talk. It was a fun experiment and it was like extreme awesome. So I just like the experiment a lot. You guys can do it at home and you don't need any science kit. Find all of these things on your home so you can do it on your home. So that's interesting, right guys? Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.